guy? It's your boy B Smooth back in it. And you already know what it is, Smooth Creation. Yeah, that way. Currently on the highway right now, man. We heading up here to actually go pick up our next project. So I'm excited. My buddy hit me up and he said, hey, I found this on Facebook Marketplace, man. He said, got some interest for you. So we contacted, he contacted people for me. And honestly, man, I'm gonna be 100% honest. I didn't have intentions on going to get this today. But I went and talked to the old lady, and first thing she said, oh, that don't look too bad, if that's what you really want. So I'm like, damn, like, okay, let me go and jump on this now while she in a good mood. So right now it's New Year Eve. I'm on the highway heading up here, man. As y'all can see, man, we on the highway. I'm riding behind this damn truck doing about 65, 70. I hit up one of my buddies, man. I hit him up and I got the trailer from him. So, hey, I'm going on up here, man, and we finna go and get started on this. Man, this road is terrible, man. It got everything in here shaking. This road is terrible. But, man, it's a 2.5 hour drive for me up here and 2.5 back, so let's get it. Oh, man, well, as you can see from the last little couple of skits, I didn't get that car. Man, what upset me, man, is the fact that the people on Facebook, oh my God, man. I drove 5 hours up there for nothing. Literally nothing. When I got up there, man, it wasn't no car. They sent me to an old abandoned house. Man, I thought I was about to get robbed up there. So instantly, man, I got out. I looked around. I'm like, man, I drove 5 hours. I'm finna knock on the door. Man, I knocked on the door. It sounded like Cujo and everything was back there. So, hey, man, squash that, man. We finna go and try it again. All right. I got my eye on a couple of more things right now. So, we finna try again. So, hey, stay tuned. Let's get home. She back there. I mean, actually, I think I caught a pretty decent deal for it. Didn't spend much. And the car do start. Got a lot of potential. So, we're gonna start this channel off like this. We're gonna get started on building this thing, y'all. Do a little walk around video and talk some shit about that regular big shit. And then we're gonna see what we can do in the future. Go ahead and change some of this stuff around. Alright, y'all stay tuned. Alright, we finally made it, man. And I was just about to my mom's yard. So, yeah. But hey, check this out, man. I literally just fucked up my mom's yard and I gotta hear her mouth. Me not thinking. And she, see, that's why I put the rims on. That's my workhorse now. But me not thinking and the screw at my mom's yard. Trying to bag up and the bottom end got caught and it tore up all her damn grass. I ain't gonna ever hear the end of this. But anyway, there go the project, y'all. 1981 Caprice. Very, very, very decent little car. It got a lot of potential for me. A lot of y'all probably look at it and be like, oh, this. I ain't no motherfucking million now. I buy cheap shit and I make it look rich. What the fuck I do? Ain't no damn million now. She runs, she got a little 350 on her. We're gonna probably end up taking that out and refreshing it. But otherwise, like I say, body ain't too damn shabby. Somebody got humps and humps of bundle here. Got dent here. All that need to be redone. Hellified bundle on top, hellified bundle in back. That look like something I don't fucking know. I mean, I got a buddy that do all the body work, but you know, need one little light here. Got to get the right fillers for this. Don't like somebody put the right ones in. I could be wrong. No, it's actually another piece that goes around. No, shit here, I don't know. I'll figure it out eventually. Going through trying to see. Like I said, little shitty ass motor, but if it run good, I might keep it in here until I decide to swap it. I really think I'm gonna end up doing the LS swap. I really think I am. I just ran the numbers on the motor. It's a 305. As you can see, whoever had the car, they don't know what the hell they doing. They got a transmission cooler sitting up here. They got some kind of, I'd have used these fans before, but they could have did a better job putting it in. It's a whole lot of fixing. The car does run, and then I got to get another one of these right here because it's gone. But I can go to, I think I got a guy around here that actually, I have one of these, the fender liner. Shit, like I say, it's gonna be a project in the making. Probably take me a while to get it done because it's a lot that need to be done. But from what I'm looking at, it's fixable. All this here, hopefully I can go and call this guy and see he have a whole inside for this car. And I just can get the whole inside. Not worrying about the back deck, I'm gonna probably build one for that. As of the roof, headliner, I do that myself. I mean, it's a whole lot that need to be done. But you know, for the price I paid, I'm not upset about it. Exhaust need to be ran. I guess they just put the motor in, just left it alone because the exhaust stops right here. So my guess is they just put it in and left it alone. But I mean, I really want to take this motor out and go back inside and see what is wet with it. My buddy told me to see how it run. From what I know right now, the carburetor gasket is fucked up. I got a mechanical fuel pump on it, so I don't like them too much. From the way the timing look with it caught like that, I'm gonna check the time and all kind of stuff. And like I say, just get it up and running. Then I don't know if I'm gonna I doubt if I keep this motor in here. It just won't be me. I think I'm gonna LS swap it. Yeah, I mean, it put me in the mind of my old Chevy, so I might just LS swap it. I'm feeling the body. The body don't feel too fucked up. Little spots here, little marks here and there. I mean, it's a good project. It ain't nothing I'm gonna have done tomorrow or next week, but it's a good ass project. Okay, condenser still in. That's a A+. As long as I got all of that still in. Got to get AC lines that actually run to this thing. Okay, there we go there. Wiring, majority of the wiring still here. I'm going to have to rewire the car. I mean, definitely one of them things I say I have done in a little while, but it's going to take a couple of years. I give it probably about a year and a half. She'll be up to par. I don't know. I like the 4 headlights. A lot of people like the European. I had the European on, a whole bunch of them. I may buy new trim pieces and get this trim to go back down here. Take this grill out, put my Tiara grill from my old one in here. I see the dent here. I may actually, if my buddy got another front, I grab that. Now I'm finna flip a coin and see, do I want to start on the outside or the inside first? And as with the motor, fuck this damn motor. Yeah, see how she run. I know she got an oil leak coming from somewhere. Probably the pan could. It's no damn telling. This is the most ugliest motor I ever seen. So this is definitely a project. So it got new tires. It's definitely a project. Well, I say this. Give me a little while, and we're going to better figure out something. Got to get side marker lights. Yeah, I might just see he got a whole nother front clip. Fuck that. I might go back to a European. I get the clip and 2 fenders, because that fender's dying that little fuck. Get clip and 2 fucking fenders and call it a day. Take the whole front off here, man. Call it a fucking day. Build that whole damn car. I ain't finna half step it. But I wanted me a bald head Chevy. And they big bald head. Some of these spots up here ain't worried about because we're going to put a full sunroof or a full moon roof up here. So a lot of this shit we ain't worried about. But otherwise, she pretty decent. Pretty fucking decent. So y'all stay tuned, man. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned, like and subscribe, and watch me build a piece of shit to hopefully a piece of gold if I don't been gave up on it. All right, y'all. Be easy.